In this video, you will learn how to get referral rewards on Wise. Log in, open the Wise app and visit the Wise website, then sign into your account. Access the referral section. Look for invite friends, referrals or earn money in the main menu. It is usually found near your profile or sidebar. Obtain your referral link or code. Tap on the referral option to reveal your unique invite link or referral code. Share with friends. Copy the link or code and share it with friends via email, text, social media, or any other preferred platform. Friends sign up and complete a qualifying action. Your friends must sign up with your link or code, then perform the actions required, typically by making a first transfer, or conversion, or converting a minimum amount. Receive your reward. Once your friend completes this step, the referral bonuses, discount, and transfer fees are all accredited to your account. You can check your status and details in the referral section. Now you know. Now you know how to get a referral reward on Wise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.